Broiling with the Smart Oven Compact Convection has many uses. The broil function delivers top-down heat at high temperatures and is designed to brown, melt, and crisp the top side of your food evenly, which can be a challenge in more traditional ovens or grills. It's excellent for cooking various cuts of meat, poultry, fish, sausages, and vegetables, as well as open sandwiches. Today, we're making a delicious open steak sandwich. So let's look at how to set up your Smart Oven Compact Convection to do it. First, insert the wire rack into the middle position with the rack's spoke facing upwards. Use the top position for thinner meats and middle position for thicker cuts. Drop the broiling rack into the pan and place your steak in the center so that the Element IQ system can move heat around the steak evenly for optimal results. Use the function dial to select the broil function. Use the temp time dial to adjust the temperature settings of low or high. Adjust the cooking time with dial. Press the Start Cancel button to activate. You'll see the orange LCD display and the timer commence the broiling countdown. The Smart Oven Compact Convection really takes the thinking out of cooking with the broil function. Now it's your turn to taste test this delicious open steak sandwich. Time to get broiling, my friends.